Hello. So I've just finished filming my monthly walk around the plot, and as I came into the polytunnel, I realised that this plant here, it has a load of white pods on it. So I figured it's about time I did another tasting. So as we come over here, I don't know if I can see it. Here we've got ripe pod. So I'll just take it off the plant. These are called Death Spiral, and I probably should have looked it up beforehand, but I didn't. I don't think these are super hots. I think they're going to be hot. It should be hot, but it probably isn't going to be the same level as the Clockwork Orange, so I'm going to give it a go. Might as well eat the whole thing this time. So anyway, let's go in. Oh, oh, it's not. Oh, no. Oh God. Oh. All right. Oh, 1 minute. Oh, that's bloody awful. I don't have anything to drink either. Oh, that's awful. That's like, it's not crazy hot, but it stinks like hell. It's like a really peppery, it's really peppery, that's not fruity at all. Oh, that's really unpleasant. That's a definite hi-ya from me. That is not good. All right. Hang on a minute. That's not the hottest. I mean, it's pretty hot. It's pretty hot. It's bad news. I should have brought my tissues as well. Right. Come on. Pull it together. That's bloody horrible. Man. And the annoying thing is, it's really not the hottest thing I've ever eaten. I think my heat tolerance is down because that is. Okay. I gotta be honest. I don't know if I've got the spuds for eating them whole. That was really, really awful. I knew from the first bite it wasn't going to be tasty. The Clockwork Orange that I ate. The Clockwork Orange that I ate last month. It was actually fruity. I've lost my teas. Hang on. It was really fruity. Oh, there we go. It was a really fruity pepper, and it was hot, and it stung like this one stings. But it was fruity. Whereas this, it was just like eating, taking a mouthful of pepper. Oh, it's awful. Awful. I'm so sorry. But that was, I needed that. Okay. So that plant. Oh man. Right, so yeah, awful. I'd say in terms of heat, 6 maybe out of 10. maybe 7, because it did stop me in my tracks. But it's not panic level heat, it's just awful. Anyway, right, I think that's it for this. Oh, sucks. Thanks, I'm an idiot, bye.